All right, follow me.
I need somebody to
Fast and loose. Oh shit. Whoa. This is rowdy. Sonar. Rowdy.
Chris, you want to go in front of me? Who's the firefighter?
Skylar and I.
You guys know the guy that runs the dirt playground? Alright, jumping in.
All right.
Got a little flow. Oh, okay. Not ready for that.
Damn it, I couldn't find the rock. Keep going. You all right?
Here, you want me to grab your bike?
Ah. No, I wanted to fucking hit this motherfucker.
What's it look like?
There's a rock that you definitely want to hit the rock and not go into the hole. Pedal strike.
Frame?
Pedal strike.
Pedal strike? Yeah, I told you.
Yeah, on that higher side, on the right, yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, God. Nice. Super fun. Follow my line. Nice. Ah! Nice.
Fun. Like that.
Okay, that's the we call it a line. Right there, just before this bush, it splits up. You see the little line right here?
Yeah.
So that's the fast line. You can haul ass on that thing, you just go straight into the drops.
That one's steeper, this one's bermier.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that one's more fast.
Is that the step down you were talking about?
Yeah, that's the little one right there. So this one will take you straight, and then you're gonna make a little small right, and it's gonna go into these, we call it the badunkadunks. It just goes,
Yeah.
do two big boulders. You
Alright.
come off of them, and then you're just hauling ass off rocks into a tight berm.
Sounds like
Sick.
otter.
Yeah.
Boom, 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 boom,
These
boom.
Yeah. Drop, drop, drop,
this is
drop,
the
drop.
high line, this is Bubba's line.
All right, let's do Bubba. Oh yeah. Fuck yeah. That's a nice berm, baby. Gotcha. There's,
3.0.
oh, those berms are clean.
So these are the badunkadunks right here.
Gotcha.
So if you take that fast line,
Fuck yeah.
the fast line is going to bring you, so you just gotta be careful nobody's taking the high line at the
Yeah.
same time, because you'll merge right here.
Yep.
And then you'll go, if they don't do the berms and they go straight, they'll go
Yep.
and then straight into the
There's
speed.
no slowing down if you're carrying speed.
Yep.
So far, so good. Hard left. Hard left. Yeah.
Go wide. Did you make it through?
You good?
You ended up on 3-0 somewhere.
Go left. Yep.
Yes. Left. More berms. I think.
He built those all like in 1 week, 2 week period.
Really?
Some work, man.
Don't you got to carry a lot of water up?
It was raining.
Oh.
It was toward the end of winter. End of winter, beginning. It was actually in January, February. I got to help him dig one time, help him up there a little bit.
Yeah.
The guy knows how to throw dirt. He knows,
Fuck.
he knows how to pack a berm.
Yeah, I
was
don't
like,
know
I
how you
don't
get
build
those perfect fucking curves,
When he
you
hits
know?
him, just like inch off the
Yeah,
ground.
yeah.
He's like, because he's going so fast. Got it?
It's got
Yeah, I thought you said take a hard left, and instead of going that thing, I went left, and I was like, no, that can't be right.
Sorry. All right, this is the exit.
no. Oh God. Yeah,
All right. That's cool.
that was very cool.
We can do that again.
I told you, man. That's the only one that
That-
actually like.
Red
the reason
light.
why I think it's so
Mine
fun
did,
is
and I
'cause it's
still
so-
haven't
bike
reset her. Yeah, that's pretty big.
Yeah, you need some speed.
More
I didn't
speed.
have any. Fatigued, I think. Nice, dude.
baby. Whoa, I don't remember that. Holy fuck. Somehow landed on the side of my front of my tire. Whoa. Ooh.
Feeling it.
I went up that thing and I was like, what? Nah. And I was like, I gotta get off so Mike can go. I didn't fall, but
I had a rough landing.
I heard you and you're like, ah! I was like, nope, I don't want to do it.
Oh, is that our left? Huh? No, this is that our left? I don't remember. There's a left right there. All right, go for it. Oh, this is it right here. This is the left. Whack! Ah, okay. Oh! Oh! Oh, I got off! Damn, it's fucking loose. Damn, that shit's loose.
I gotta say, it's a lot more fun when you follow somebody and actually see their line, because I picked a couple different lines this time that felt way more clean. Oh god.
Oh, my heart rate.
Yeah, the whole time though.
I may have to sit down.
I'm pretty sure I held my breath the whole time.
Yeah. I'm feeling the fatigue.
I gotta get my blood pressure back to normal. Oh yeah. Oh, that's quite a view. I tried doing the same thing.
Whoa! That was sketchy, dude. Nice berm. Yeah.
How was it?
It's fun. It's fun. Sketchy going up to it. Okay, high berm. Oh shit! Scary. Scary drop.
Yeah.
Okay.
I did the high fucking wall right here.
Nice. That high wall had quite the drop, dude. I wasn't.
Yeah, you scared me. I fucking bailed.
I wasn't expecting it.
The other one, I got up it with you, and then I paused too much, and I was off balance, and I was like, fuck, so I got off, and then I had to run down.
Ooh, shit, dude.
I slid down it.
Ah, it made me cramp.
I slid down it and then fucking toppled over.
Let's work.
Thing I did.
You work your way over to the shade. Take 5. Hold up, Micah. We got a cramp.
We're good. I can ride.
Can you roll it? All right.
I think riding will be better.
Okay. Oh, there's fast and loose right there. Damn, we made it down quick.
Yeah.
That took forever to go up.
Nice. Sealed it. Perfect.
Ping.
Yeah.
Oh man, this bike works really well now. Fuck, I can't believe I was doing that shit on a fucking flat tire. Ready?